Welcome to the Sensory Archive. Today we explore the brioche braid tension pull. This is not merely bread. This is architecture built from butter, egg, and patience. The braid pattern is not decorative. It is structural. Each strand locks into the next, creating tension that holds the honeycomb crumb in perfect alignment. When the loaf reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit internally, the starch gelatinization completes. The crust sets. The butter layers solidify into distinct strata. Now comes the moment we have been waiting for, the pull. Apply gentle lateral pressure at the center braid seam. Listen. That whisper you hear is the crumb separating along the butter planes. The honeycomb structure reveals itself layer by layer. Steam escapes from the warm interior, carrying the aroma of toasted butter and caramelized crust. This is the acoustic signature of perfect brioche. The pull should never tear, it should release. Each strand parts cleanly, revealing the layered interior like opening a book. The butter glistens between each dough pocket. The steam curls upward in volumetric tendrils. This is the brioche braid tension pull. Master this moment, and you master the bakery.